Hi, welcome to I Can Learn YouTube channel. Our topic for today is about meaning of words. It is our lesson in English 1 for this quarter for weeks 5 to 6. Okay? So stay tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. So what is our target for today? So the objective is to give the meaning of words using clues, total physical response or TPR, pictures, and body movements. That is our objective for this lesson, okay? Now, before we move on, let us first know the meaning of clues. What is clues? So, this will help you identify the meaning of words in any context. Also, they may be in forms of pictures, total physical response or TPR, and body movements. Let's begin with activity 1 to further understand the lesson. Read each sentence. Match the underlined words in column A with the correct pictures in column B. Okay, number 1. Jerry has a pet dog. Number 2. Tom feeds the chicken. Number 3. My dad bought me a new baseball bat. Number 4. We spent our vacation in my uncle's farm. Okay, the column B pictures are... Okay, what is the answer in number 1? Jerry has a pet dog. The underlined word is dog. Can you see a dog in the picture? Okay. Correct. Letter A. Number 2. Tom feeds the chicken. The underlined word is feeds. Can you see something that feeds the chicken? Correct. It's letter D. Number 3. My dad bought me a new baseball bat. The underlined word is baseball bat. Can you see a baseball bat? Yes, it's letter C. Okay, number 4. We spent our vacation in my uncle's farm. The last letter is... Where is the farm? Correct, letter B. Alright, very good. Here is the activity 2. Paste pictures that best show the meaning of the highlighted words. Okay, number 1. Mother is cooking. So the highlighted word here is color red font, which is cooking. So let's paste the picture. Okay. So the meaning of cooking is this picture. Can you see them cooking? Okay. Number 2. The cat sleeps on the rag. The highlighted word is rag. What is the meaning? Okay. Number 3. We planted a mango seed in our backyard. The highlighted word is planted. Planted. Okay. Number 4. Missy had toothache because she ate too much candy. The meaning of toothache is just like this picture. Okay. Number 5. She reads the books loud and clear. The highlighted word is reads. Okay. After learning activity 1 and 2, we can say that clues are hints found in sentences. They are used to understand and identify the meaning of unfamiliar words. Okay. So we have pictures, body movements, total physical response or TPR. So they are used as clues in understanding the meaning of words. Okay? Okay, let us study more examples. Mary and Ella play together. Okay. She helps her mother wash the dishes. This picture. The family attends to Mass every Sunday. Okay. Teacher Mary loves to teach her pupils. Alright. Now, let's proceed to activity 3. Look at the pictures. Complete the phrases by choosing the correct word in the parentheses. Okay. This is the picture. What is the boy holding? So, blank of Dennis. Is it books, bag, or paper? Okay, we have books. So you're going to choose books. So let's read. Books of Dennis. Okay? This is picture number 2. A beautiful blank. Teacher, mother, pupil. What is the lady doing? Okay, a beautiful teacher. Okay, that is correct. Picture number 3. The 2 blank ears, eyes, dimples. What is the answer? What can you see in the picture? That's right, eyes. So the 2 eyes, correct. Number 4 picture, what is this? Blank of Jenny. Is it pet, doll, or tablet? Okay, the picture is doll. Doll of Jenny. Okay? Or activity, which is activity 4. Read each sentence, then match it with the correct picture. Okay, letter A. She looks very nice in her dress. B. Jenny sleeps on her soft bed. C. She sings well. Okay. Let's match. Number or letter A, she looks very nice in her dress. So, let's go in this picture. Letter B, Jenny sleeps on her soft bed. Okay. Where's the soft bed? Here. Okay. And the last one, she sings well. Here. Okay, that's good. Now, the activity number 5 is you're going to work with a partner. Any member of the family show through actions what its word means. Okay, let's see. Exercise. I exercise every morning. Read. I read my modules every day. 3. Listen. I listen to my parents to complete my module. Number 4. Laugh. I laugh out loud. Okay, let's see. So those words, action words. Exercise, read, listen, laugh. So where are we going to connect the exercise? Alright, exercise. Read. Read. Listen. Listen. Laugh. Okay, so those actions, you are going to work with your partner, any member of your family, like for example, your mother, your father, your sister, or your brother, or any member of the family that you've been together. Okay, so that's nice. Okay, we are now on the last part of our lesson, which is the reflection. Blank are hints found in sentences. They are used to easily understand and identify the meaning of blank. The use of blank, body movements, and total physical response are clues in figuring out the meaning of words. What is the answer in number 1? Okay, clues. Number 2, words. Number 3, picture. The use of picture. Okay? And yes, as I have promised, I have a random shout out to my subscribers. Here they are. Shout out to Maria Germain-Scano, to Roy Ingles, to Bitslin Vlogs, and Chill Spike Vlog. Thank you so much for subscribing. Keep on watching. Thank you. Yes, I'm glad that you come with me to understand our lesson in English. Please like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming video lessons. Thank you so much, and bye-bye. See you in my next video. Thank you.